Hello everyone and welcome to PA Academy. So in this video I'm going to be showing you, walking you through step by step how to draw an Archimedean spiral. So before we get into this video, if you are new to PA Academy or you are yet to subscribe to PA Academy, please take out time to click on that subscribe button and the little bell icon. Subscribing is absolutely free, you don't need to pay, so just click on it to subscribe to this channel. It means a lot to this channel to help this channel grow, but on your own side it's absolutely free. Alright, so thank you very much if you have just done that, and let me know in the comment section if you have subscribed. So just comment I've subscribed and I'm going to reply you. Alright, so now let's get into this video. So in drawing an Archimedean spiral, there are two things we are going to need. That is the longest and the shortest radius. So in this video I'm going to be using the longest radius. So the longest radius I'm going to be using 5 centimeters, while the shortest radius I'm going to be using 1 centimeter. So yours might be different, but irrespective of the radius that you are using, the step is still the same thing. So now that I already know my longest radius to be 5 centimeters, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in my compass and then measure 5 centimeters. So this I already have my 5 centimeters, so I'm going to draw a circle. So I already have my circle with a radius of 5 centimeters. So let me note the center properly. So let me call the center of the circle point O. Then I draw the diameter. So now let me identify the longest and the shortest radius. So since we say our longest radius is 5 centimeters, that is the length from here to here. So let's call it OB. While the shortest radius is 1 centimeter, we are going to measure it from the center of the circle. So to this point, let's call it point A. So the next thing you have to do now is to divide this circle into 8 equal parts. In doing that, I'm going to be using my protractor. So if you don't know how to divide a circle into equal parts, just watch along. For this one, we are going to be dividing it into 8. So in dividing it into 8, you are going to be measuring at 45 degrees apart. But if you want to know how to divide a circle into other parts, maybe 6, 5, 10, 12, or how to divide any circle, just check the playlist on technical drawing. You'll find a video, about 3 videos that will explain how to divide a circle into equal number of parts. So let's come back into this 45 degrees apart. I've marked 45, another 45, that's 90. So the next one will be at 135. So now I can go ahead and divide the circle into 8. So from the point that I marked to pass through the center, so having done that, let's call this point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8. Now the distance between A and B, so let's see what I'm having here. I'm having 4 centimeters. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide it into 8, so that will be 0.5 centimeters apart. So let me note those points. So let me number it. This will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8. So next thing is we are going to bring our compass and our ruler. We are going to measure the length from point O to point 7. So we are going to measure it. That should give us 4.5, I guess. Yeah, 4.5. So I'm going to measure 4.5. So I'm going to draw a circle from this point 7 to come and touch this line that I number 7. So you'll be having something like this. So it's stopping at 0.7. So you are going to do the same thing from 0.6. So from 0.0 to 0.6, from 0.0 to 0.6 is 4 centimeter, which I've just measured. So if I place it at the center, then I'll stop at 0.6. So this is where 6 stops. So I'll do the same thing for 5. So from 0.0 to 0.5 is how many centimeter? Is 3.5. So I'll stop on 0.5. So let me pause the video and do that of 4, 3, 2, and 1. So for the last one, so I've just done the last one. So now you are going to note these points. So note all those points. So this is where we are going to be drawing the spiral. So these are the points where the spiral is going to be touching. So now we are going to be drawing those points together, and in doing that I'm going to be using my French curve to join those points together. So now I've gone ahead to join the last point. I had to take it off camera because the space here was not enough to accommodate the French curve. But by the way, so once you just note those points, you use your French curve, just make sure you connect those points, and that will give you your Archimedean spiral. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any question or any comments or any video request, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you check the description of this video, you'll find links to other videos that are related to this, maybe how to draw an involute, a cycloid, epicycloid, hypocycloid, hyperbola, or ellipse, and their tangents. So if you check the description of this video, you're going to find the link to those videos. And also check our playlist on technical and engineering drawing. There are a lot of videos, over 100 videos there that I believe will be of help to you. So with that, guys, I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.